Welcome, Julie Hackworth here at my newest listing, 745 Oakridge Drive. You all heard of location, location, location. Well, look no farther. This home is located in the Lower Essex Heights, a premier location. Walking distance to the park, the trails, tennis courts, and not only is this such a lovely area, come inside and look at all the upgrades that this home has to offer. They have completely renovated to restore that traditional charm and beauty, such as the hardwood floors, the built-ins, the fireplace, but yet all these other amazing updates the home offers. All the bathrooms have been completely renovated. And look at this stunning new kitchen. It has a lovely eating area, granite countertops, beautiful cabinetry that's soft close, backsplash that's a ceramic tile, undermount lighting, stainless steel appliances. This home is cram-packed with a lot of quality, exquisite updates. Come take a tour.